Welcome back to another video, traders and scalpers. I'm your host, Scalper779, and this is the Stock Market Scalper channel. Thank you very much for joining me. So here we got the E-mini futures. This is the regular trading chart, 9:30 to 4 o'clock, and again, this is the 24-hour chart. Very interesting stuff. I always find it amazing how they can just get all these lines and support and resistance lined up. Anyway, let's see if I got the right. We start here on the regular chart. We got a descending trend line that worked out pretty well. Now, obviously, it doesn't really work on this chart over here, the 24-hour chart. So that's one that would have been one opportunity right here. This one right here, that's your opportunity right there, based off this trend line. Obviously you'd want a little bit more, what do you call it, support or confidence, but the resistance lines and support, that's what I want to get into over here, because it's amazing. Because if you, so let's try and line it up here. Let's try and zoom in a little bit better so everybody can see. So yeah, what do we do here? If we draw a line here, let's say, and if we drew a line here, okay, price would have gone you a little bit further than I'd like to, right? But it came back. It didn't close below. That would have been okay. And on this chart, well, I don't know. You know, it's, if you want to find, and same thing here. Like you could do it like this and like that. So hey, that would have worked out. Okay, that would have worked out. You had a little range right here, and that would have worked out here too. But it gets even better. Gets even better when we look over here. So let me just remove everything, because if we go over here, we are going to see a little bit better. So what if we do this one right here? Come on. Oh no, wrong one. First level. Here's some resistance. Boom, perfect. It's the same level right there. Okay, you don't get that over here. That's why when it comes to the futures chart, E-mini, it's so much better to, at bare minimum, have both charts open. Okay, the regular hours, 9:30 to 4 o'clock, and then the 24-hour chart. The 24-hour chart, it's going to be clean. It's not going to be like the spider 24-hour chart where it has all these misprints. And you're going to find all the levels that you're going to need, and really precise. So here's that level that matches up with that, and look at that scalp level right there, that short. Excuse me. And then this level right here. Okay, that would have been another resistance to draw in, and boom, that matched up there, and that would have matched up here too. And you see, you could have got drawn it there to there, and so that lines up with the lines that we drew over in this chart. So let me just get rid of that. So that's the resistance. Okay, here again, look at this. I mean, all you'd have to do is just draw your lines in, and you get your levels. You see how that happens? And then look, like even this one, it's kind of ridiculous, eh? Come up, and price came down a little bit. What, like a point or something like that? Yeah. Anyway, and then it came through. Anyway, what else? It's just very, very good, very good. And here's another level you could have done. Like, let's see what happens here. Yeah, price came down here. Boom. Here, and I'm just bringing it to your attention just so you can have something look at yourself and ponder whether or not you could have used that or not in your style of trading. Or here, look at this level. Like, you don't want to draw every line on every lower low or higher high, you know what I mean? But you sort of got to get, you know, near the top here and near the bottom. So what do we have at the bottom here? Well, this one would have been good with this one. That's it. Even if we forgot about those, remove that, remove that. So we have our top ones here. We don't even need this one, right? Forget that. Here we got these top ones, and we got these, the two lowest ones here of the day. And that would have got you a really good scalp or trade, whatever you want to call it, however long a trade you're in. And there's the range, boom, and here's your range. So that would have been a perfect setup. I don't know if I did all those lines in the morning pre-market video, but I just wanted to bring that to your attention. And what else? Do we have anything else here? Not really. Yeah, it's kind of hard to draw lines like that because you never know. You're better off just going off these kind of levels, and if you know if price breaks, pierces it and closes above, yeah, you should get out. But look at it, it bounces off here straight down pretty much, and down to this line right here, pierces it by a tick or two, and then boom, comes right back up. Yeah, if you scalp these, you could have made a lot of money. Anyway, that's all I got for you. And hey, look, it looks, it's a little dirty, eh? And I am Canadian, for those who want to know. I don't know if I'm proud of that or not, but it's just the way I talk sometimes, I guess. We got this bull flag pennant, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if price will come back up overnight, you know, work its way back up to this area, and then in the morning go up until 2 o'clock when the Fed numbers released. So that's something to watch for tomorrow, guys. Wednesday at 2 o'clock. I think it's Eastern time. Just, yeah, I don't think you want to be in a trade at that time, but I'll remind you guys in the morning. All right, I think that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please click that thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.